Hey everyone, in this video, let's find out how we can make music videos using Mozart. In order to do so, here we are at mozartai.com, AI music creation platform with music video generation. Create a song, edit it, master it, make a music video, and release it. Let's go ahead and start creating for free. So first thing, we're going to need to continue with an account. Let's go ahead and use Google. And with just a couple clicks of the button, we are in Mozart and ready to go. Let's see here. I'll call myself advanced. Genres, let's just say EDM. Add. Okay, now we can continue. So we need to at least select a couple things here to move forward. Vibe sessions, your agentic music creation journey. Create, edit, extend, cover, and master your tracks through simple chat interactions. Let's go ahead and hit continue. We got daily login rewards, daily 20 credits, top-up bonus. That's quite nice. Welcome, Skillcraft. Create your first track with Mozart. So we have a few options here. Let's go ahead and let's see. Let's go with a modern emo melodic rap with slow guitar riff and 808s. So we have our lyrics here. Let's just go ahead and send that off. So that's thinking now. And that's still thinking, been thinking here for a few moments, but it is producing our song. Let's go ahead and see if we can already listen.
Miss. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. I keep on drowning in these memories. The nights all over when you're not with me. I gave you all of me, you took it carelessly. Now I'm just searching for a way to breathe off. Running from the pain, but it follows me every single time I try.
So there you go. That gives you an idea of the results with Mozart, and they're really quite nice. I think I'm pretty impressed. Still thinking, still generating the track. It's moving its way through. So let's go ahead and let that finish up. Okay, so now we have our option to create a music video. So let's go ahead and click on that. And here you can see that in order to create music videos, you are going to need the Pro subscription, which billed monthly starts at $18 a month. So you can generate some pretty cool music, but if you're going to create the music video, you are going to need the subscription. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. And don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree there. You'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations, including Sintra. Sintra is a fantastic business strategy tool that gets to know you and your business, offering tailored insights to help you succeed. Check out our YouTube playlist all about Sintra. And if you use our referral link, you can get 60% off your first month subscription. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on our referral link, you can get $50 to open an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. Can personally vouch for it. Check to see if it's available in your area.